Digital and mobile ad templates are included in your Metro subscription. You'll find generic sales presentations as well as the InDesign and Quark ad packages in the Metro library. If you also subscribe to the MiAD Wizard sales tool, those of you in sales can use it to add your advertisers' contact information and even a logo to our digital ad templates for a quick personalized presentation. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access them both ways. Let's start with finding them in the Metro library. There are a few different ways that you can find the digital ads. One is by using the main search bar in the middle. Just type in your keywords and you can click the category pull down and select web mobile ads. Or you can use the mega menu at the top. You'll find them under the ads pull down for web mobile ads, or you can go to the digital pull down and select web mobile ads. So if you use the mega menu, once you get into your search, then you can add keywords to narrow it down. The ads come in three sizes: the leaderboard, the medium rectangle, and the wide banner for mobile. Most of the ads have suggested text to give you something to start with, but we do also have some ad starters that are just backgrounds with headings, and you can create your own text. For any of the ads, if you hover over them, you can click the arrow to download the InDesign or Quark package and make whatever changes you need. Or you can click more options or the three little lines. And this takes you to a page that has all the different versions of the web ads and also the coordinated print ads. So if you are doing a print and web campaign, this is a quick way to find the print ad that goes with it. Now, if you're in sales and you want to share this with your prospective advertisers to give them an idea of what their ad can look like, you can use the Present Print Share link, and this gives you a printable presentation. Once the ad sells, to share it with your designer, there is a Metro file name here, and they can use that to pull up the InDesign or Quark package and make whatever changes are needed. You can also click the URL at the top of the page, copy that and paste it into an email for your creative team or into an online order form, and it will take them right to this page where they can download the InDesign or Quark package. Another way to share it with your prospective advertisers is to download a JPEG preview. It's going to have the generic information in it, but it's an easy way to email it to your advertisers. Now, if you see the personalize in Wizard link and you're subscribing to the MiAD Wizard, you can use this to add your client's contact information to the ad to make it personalized. So click the link and it will take you into step one of the wizard. And here you're going to either select your advertiser from the pull down or create a new one. And that's going to take you right to step three in the wizard, where it will have the ad that you chose with your client's information in it. And from here, you can share it as a low-res PDF, you can email it directly to the client, or you can print it out. If the ad is good to go as it is, you can download the JPEG right from here. So now let's go over how to find the digital ads when you're starting directly in the wizard instead of the Metro libraries. To get to the wizard, since we're doing digital ads, we'll go to the digital menu at the top and select Wizard, Personalize Web Ads. Now, if you're already in the Metro libraries, you can just switch over to the MiAD Wizard tab and get right there. Now, the wizard is three simple steps. Step one, you're going to enter an advertiser. Step two, you're going to choose a template. And step three, you can customize further if you need to and share it with your advertiser. So in step one, you can either select the advertiser from the list if you already have it entered. If not, click Create New Advertiser and just put in their contact information. You can also upload a logo and then click Next, choose a template. Now we're in step two, where we're going to choose a template. So my advertiser that I'm using is Paws and Claws. I'm going to put in pet grooming and click exact match because I'm using more than one keyword. I want to make sure all the results have both of those keywords. There's also a filter here. It defaults to showing you all of the ads, but you can choose just print, print with web, or just web. So in this case, I'm going to choose web only, and I'm going to choose a template. Now, once we get to step three, you can alternate between the different sizes of the web ads, and you can also choose the print ad from there as well. So just click on the template And now we're in step 3. And now we can share it with our advertiser. But before we share it, I want to save it. And whenever you save an ad in the wizard, it's going to save in what we call a presentation. So I'm going to click Save As, and you can assign a job number, you can add notes for your advertiser, and then you can save it to an existing presentation or create a new one. And click Save As. The presentations are saved within the wizard, so you can access them from any mobile device or your desktop computer, as long as you're logged in with your password and have internet access. So now that the ad is saved, let's go ahead and share it. And you can click the share button, and you can share it as a low resolution PDF. You can email it directly to a client, or you can print it out. I like the PDF because then I can do any of those things with it. And save it to wherever you want it to go on your drive. So this is what the presentation looks like. It has your ad, of course. There's an area for you to make notes. It has your name at the bottom, so you want to make sure you're logged in with your password. It has a template name. So this is what a designer would need once the ad sells, so they can download the original Quark or InDesign package. And you can print this out, or you can download it to your drive. If the ad is perfect the way it is, you can download it, and you'll find that button right here. In this case, it's a web ad, so you want to download it as a JPEG, and it can go right up to your website. If your client has changes that they need to make, then you can go to the production files link. And from here, you're going to want to share this page with your designer. And you can just click the link at the top of the page, copy it, and paste it into an email or paste it into an online ordering system if that's what you're using. And when the designer clicks on it, it takes them right to this page and they can download the InDesign Quark package right here. It is going to be our original generic ad, so it's not going to have your client's name in it. So your designer can add that back in while they're making any other changes that your client needs. And to get back to the wizard, just click the MiAD Wizard tab. Now, if you want, you can further customize the ad by adding the logo. So to do that, click the Customize button. And it slides out this panel. You don't need the company name as text with the logo, so I'm going to click the X here to remove that. And this is where we can add the logo. The other options here, you can hide social media icons, which is mainly for print ads. You can adjust the size within reason. If you're changing the proportion altogether or making a big size change, that's something that the designers would need to do. And you can also change it to black and white, which again is more for print ads. So back to the logo, I'm going to hit place on ad, and you can just grab it, drag it and drop it where you want it to go, grab a corner and adjust the size, and then hit done. And now I'm going to save it with the logo. So this is going to update the ad I've already saved. Now you also have the option to switch between the sizes. So you'll see a button here for alternate sizes. So we can create a leaderboard. And you'll probably need to adjust the logo. And now to save this, I want to do a save as. That's going to save it as a separate ad. If I hit save again, it's going to overwrite my previous ad. So save as, give it a new job number, change the notes, and create a new spec ad. And I'm going to add it to the same presentation. So now we have a leaderboard. We can also do the same for the wide banner. And save. And if we want to print ad also, you can choose that. And again, save as. So now we have a campaign of 1 print ad and 3 web ads. If you want to give your advertiser different layout options to choose from, you can go over to the left and click Change Template. That'll take you back to step 2, and you can choose a different template. And again, you may need to adjust the logo and save as. So now that you've got all the ads created for your presentation, you can view it just by clicking the Presentations tab along the top. And you can share all the ads in one presentation via low-res PDF, email, or print, just like you can the individual ones. But there's also a slideshow option, which is really great if you are taking out a laptop or a tablet and you're going to have internet access for an in-person visit. And this lets you swipe through all of the ads, and they look big and bold and really nice on the screen. They make a good presentation. If you want to see all of the presentations that you have saved and for the whole company, click All Presentations. And here you can filter by advertiser or by sales rep. And this way you can see the presentations for everyone under your account. If you have any questions about digital ads, either in MCC or through the wizard, or if you'd like to schedule one-on-one training, please reach out to Metro's Client Services team at 800-223-1600 or email service@metro-email.com.